Hi and welcome to my playhouse. And today I have a bit of a chat because I haven't prepared much, and I've done a lot of work, but I haven't filmed anything. So this is a bad video. I'm gonna be talking too much and doing too little. We have worked very hard all day on my driveway, so this is driveway 2.0 video. So I'm just gonna point you around and you're gonna see what we did. So first video we made from up there. You can see there's a line going over there, goes down. We did 7.5 meters and ended up here. And then today we went, well, it was all downhill from here, but yeah, it was very difficult work because the concrete had to be specific consistency, otherwise it wanted to slide down the driveway, so it had to be quite thick to not do that, which was a challenge. And getting it down there, you kind of have to drive on this slope to tip it over there without breaking the curbstones and all of that good stuff. So Paul, who has been doing most of this, has been doing an awesome job again. So we got to this bit. I think I can stand over here and we can see it. Oh, you see the waterfall down here? There's quite a lot of water coming down. It has rained a few days, and yeah, it rains for a couple of days and then this runs for a week at least. So the driveway is gonna go out until the asphalt out here. I think we might cut a little bit of the asphalt off to join it up with the concrete, and it's gonna go out this way and meet the pipe, so it's gonna extend further out. But yeah, it's this has been a lot of work, and I was told that in a few hours I have to go out and scrape the end of this so that it's not as smooth as it is right now. I need to well, make it a little bit more like this. So I'll try and go down there and we'll have a better look at it from down there. Oh, we could just see the view actually, which is not bad. We're very limited to when we can do this. It has to be dry. We had just completed this and then it started dripping. Luckily it was just like 10 drops, but we just thought that holy shit, we were in trouble here, but it stopped again, so good. So yeah, I'll go and we'll see it from the other side. Oh, I had more materials delivered. Last time we almost ran out of materials. We had like 2 and a little bit of sand left. 2 of these bags of sand. 0 gravel. Now we have a bit of gravel, and then we have 1.5 sand. But we only have 1 bag of concrete left, so yeah, we need some more concrete. So here's another nice view of my mountain. I haven't actually been up there this time. I haven't needed to. The internet has worked perfectly, so I haven't needed to go up there. And in the last video I showed that I planted 2 trees that are over here. So that's good. And I have already started to prepare the next project, or one of the next projects. There's this patio here, or thingy, where I think a lot of the building rubble went into this thing and was prepared to do exactly. So I have some rebar that I'm gonna put on top of this, and then that needs to be concreted in as well. Yeah, I'm not gonna be doing any more concreting right now, but I'm rather sore from concreting all day. Well, actually we started at about 11 o'clock and stopped at about 15 minutes to 5. So we did 7 meters in that amount of time. Can I go down? I think I can go down this way. And over the wild river here. And there's all my gravel that has washed down from my driveway. I should go and pick it up again. So, yeah, I have a little creek going past my house here. Some more of my expensive gravel right there. This looks funny. This guy was just filming the car. So this is the driveway from this side. The water goes in here. I've shown this multiple times. Water goes under the road here, and this is all the stuff that needs to be concreted in next. So yeah, it ends here, and it has to taper down from up here and taper down to the road. And yeah, it narrows in a little bit right here. I hope it's okay, but we're gonna fill up this bit with something, so even if you drive over that, it should be good. So perfectly well. We have rebar all the way out here as well. That's fine. Yeah, and this is the little bit I should do with a dried up sponge at about 8 o'clock, he said. That's Paul that said that I needed to do that. So yeah. So this is gonna be my driveway into the house. So it's gonna look good. So parking here in Portugal is pretty hard. Many places there's not a lot of room next to the road. So you have the road here, and then there's it goes way down. There's like at least a meter from that spot on and to that spot, so you don't want to get your car out there. So we have a little bit extended the road here, so that there's a little bit of materials. There were a thing here, but it had collapsed a bit, so that so we might have put a bit of gravel on there and dirt and stuff, and the same thing down here. There is like the tiniest little place where you can put a car here, and you can just exactly get a car off the road on this corner here. And yeah, all of these rocks, I kind of know where they came from, but yeah, it's not like when I'm having visitors at my place here. There's like room for like 2 cars and not a lot more than that. So in the driveway, and then there is this spot here where I guess could fit a couple of cars as well. Well, it's really difficult to keep waffling about this driveway, so I don't think I have much more to say about it. So yeah, might be an extremely short video, I'm sorry about that. So but I might be able to give you the conclusion of this. My vacation is already starting to run out. I'm filming this on Sunday, and I need to go back to Denmark at Friday, and we need to do this in good weather, and I need to go and visit Cindy as well, and that's gonna be on Tuesday because she's in Portugal Tuesday, and that's a sunny day, and that's a bit unfortunate. I could perfectly well go and visit her on a rainy day, but well, she's not here on the rainy days. But yeah, never mind. We'll see if we can't manage this. Paul already says that he's gonna be finishing it for me, but I would like to be here to help him out. But let's see what can happen. So thank you very much for watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel so that you can see me again, and have a really nice day. Bye bye.